Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Bovine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. That's Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. We've got 597 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. So here we are outside Ophelia's Bovine Farm, and today I'm going to talk about signs. Now this is a permanent sign, but today I'll be touching up our weekly signs and some A-frames. And I like to use this Rust-Oleum chalk paint. So Rust-Oleum chalk paint, this would be great for maybe inside your house, you know, something by the refrigerator. Of course, if you didn't have a greenhouse or a small business, but it just gives a more organic, friendlier feel to it, and it's really fun. And you can always just change the price at an instant by erasing it, or you can also it also allows you to create designs and things like that. And so here on the pan down. So today we're going to be using Rust-Oleum chalkboard paint, and it looks kind of gray, but it dries black. So we're gonna stir it real well. It's a little windy today. Previously, I've brushed this on with a brush, but today I'm gonna try using a roller, and I'm not gonna really do too much prep with it. We're just gonna pour a little bit of it on, and I'll sprinkle a little bit on, get that off the stick right there. I'm gonna put a nice coating on it. Don't worry, I'll even that out. Put a nice coating on it. Rust-Oleum paint. There we go. Kind of hard to do with one hand. And come back over here, and we're just gonna go ahead and sop it up a little bit and get it on there and get a nice roll. Oh, and it's so easy, so fun, something that you could do with your kids. In fact, baby Noelle would love doing this right here. Shut up, Earl! We're doing a video! And, oh, look at that. And it's going on so well. I recommend the roller. I'm going to get a nice thick coat. Give it a nice thick coat right here. And then we're going to use, I don't like to use chalk. I'll show you some of the markers that I like to do here in just a second. So today, we're outside Ophelia's, touching up the chalkboard sign right there. And just like that, oh, look at that, nice and even. That's a great coating, and it's gonna look amazing. Take a couple of hours to dry, and I believe maybe it's a day or so really before they want you to write on it. But it dries really fast, tacks up really fast as well. I'm gonna even come over here and hit the sides. Oh, look how easy it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, look how easy it is. And actually goes a lot faster and a lot nicer. A lot nicer, actually, without the roller. So again, this is the product. Rust-Oleum chalkboard. Gotta come back and get that. Pablo the farm cat, leave that paint alone. Pablo was catnapped. Farmer Mike tracked the thief and got Pablo back. Check out that video on my channel, on my YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bovine Farm. Oh, shut up! I'm trying to do the video. Anyway, Pablo the farm cat. Come here, Pablo. Sponsored by Friskies. Friskies, the official food of Ophelia's Bovine Farm. Friskies. Just even saying Friskies, Pablo's eyes light up. Pablo, watch this. Friskies. Pablo. Stop mean mugging the camera. Okay. Those nails. All right, real quick, show you some of the markers that I like to use in these outdoor signs. And real quick, master class today. Instead of using chalk, which is great for sidewalks, using chalk for sidewalks, but I like to use these chalk markers. These are called chalk markers. I'm gonna go ahead and show you right here. So these are what I like to use. I like to use these chalk markers, and you just shake them up. And the reason I like to use them outside is because when it rains, the wind carries the rain, and it actually hits the chalkboard, and it'll run and it'll smear all the words. And just a light rain will do that, but this right here won't. And show you one more time. Oh, it's looking so amazing today. So amazing. Look at that. Look at the difference. We did it in just minutes. Our chalkboard sign, Farmer Mike recommends using these chalk markers, and that's going to look really good from the street. And that's the product. Rust-Oleum chalkboard right there. Love the Rust-Oleum products. Been using those all my life. Hope you enjoyed this tip and this epic master class. Farmer Mike live from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District of Kansas City, Missouri, where it lives. This has been another impromptu master class.